Imagine soaring above the earth, the wind beneath your wings, the sun in your eyes. You are not confined by gravity, but instead, you are a bird, a plane, no, a drone, and the world is your playground. Welcome to the breathtaking majesty of the Swiss mountains, a place where nature's grandeur unfolds beneath your wings. From the heart-stopping heights of the Matterhorn, with its craggy peaks that pierce the skies, to the serene beauty of Lake Lucerne, nestled amidst snow-dusted peaks, Switzerland is a canvas painted by Mother Nature herself. Each mountain, each valley, each lake tells a tale of geological wonder and timeless beauty. Feel the rush as you dive down into the lush green valleys, carved by ancient glaciers and now cradled between majestic mountain ranges. These are the arteries of Switzerland, streaming with life and vibrancy, their verdant beauty a startling contrast to the icy peaks above. Now, picture yourself skimming over the reflective surface of Lake Geneva, its crystal-clear waters mirroring the sky above and the mountains around. This is where serenity meets spectacle, where the tranquil lap of the water against the shore lulls you into a sense of peace, only to be shattered by the awe-inspiring sight of the snow-capped Alps reflected in the lake's glassy surface. You've traversed the rugged cliffs of the Eiger, where every rock and crevice tells a story of courage and endurance. You've danced with the clouds atop Jungfrau, the top of Europe, where the air is thin and the view simply breathtaking. This journey has taken you over the crowning glory of the Swiss Alps, through valleys bursting with life, over lakes that mirror the heavens, and across cliffs that defy imagination. You've witnessed the awe-inspiring beauty of Switzerland, where every peak and valley, every lake and river is a testament to the timeless allure of nature. In the end, as the drone descends and the journey concludes, it's not just about the incredible sights you've witnessed. It's also about the feeling of freedom, of exploring the unexplored, and of experiencing the world from a perspective that few ever get to see. This is the magic of flight, the thrill of discovery, and the wonder of the Swiss mountains. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep flying.